Sledders, Biker Mike here, coming at ya with a Biker Mike how-to on the old Yamaha Viper. So as you can see, last year I did some damage to my snow flap. What happened was I got stuck in an icy ditch at a road crossing, had to back up, and sure enough, ran over the snow flap and chewed it all up. So I decided to get a new one for this season. Just thought I'd do a little video. I know it's pretty obvious for some of you guys out there. For those that might be a little skeptical about doing this themselves, if you've never worked with rivets before, a quick little rundown on how to do this. Basically, I'm gonna drill out these rivets. There's two here, two on this side, and two underneath that I'll have to drill out from underneath. What I'm gonna do is start with a 3/16 drill bit, and if that's not big enough, then I'm gonna go up to the 13/16. Just a little tip, if you find the whole rivet spinning around with your drill bit, grab the back of the rivet with a pair of vice grips to hold it while you're drilling that out, and that'll prevent it from just spinning around and not drilling through the rivet. So I'm gonna give it a go here and let you guys watch and see how it goes. Alright, I got the vice grips clamped onto the back of the rivet. I got the 3/16 drill bit installed into my drill. Just gonna give it a go here and see if this bit will do the job or if I need to step it up to the other one. Switch into the bigger bit. Okay, that got that one out. I'm just gonna try and get this one. It's gonna be a little more tricky because it's right near the brake light and I don't really want to take that off. I actually did have to take that off and I'll show you that later in the video. Okay, once again I got the vice grips clamped onto the back of the rivet and we're gonna try and get this one out without doing any damage to this. And now for the other side, I already got this one out, so I just need to get this one. Okay guys, here we are up underneath the tunnel here, and you can see the two other rivets. They actually go back into the grab bar. Now there's going to be no way to get little ends of the rivets out unless they just drop down eventually. But they'll probably just be rolling around inside the grab bar, but there's not too much you can do about that. So same thing, I'm just going to drill it there and there. You can see the rivets are out of the grab bar and I'm all ready to put the new one on. So it looks like I'm going to need to remove the rear tail light to make this job go smoother because I can't get the rivet gun straight onto the one rivet for the snow flap. The Yamaha mounting kit comes with the 4 rivets you're going to need for the brake light and the 6 black rivets you're going to need for the snow flap. I'm going to drill out these rivets the same way with the same bit. There's 2 on the top and 2 underneath the tunnel. So now that I got the taillight turned out of the way, I've positioned the 2 inner rivets in place, and I'm going to start with the one rivet that's positioned into the grab bar from behind underneath the tunnel on the back of the flap. Just keep in mind guys that you really need to push a lot of force on the gun to make sure that rivet seats into the grab bar. Now that those 2 underneath are done, I can get straight on to the top ones here and tighten them up. And with all the rivets back in the snow flap, I can go ahead and put the taillight back on. And then just put the 2 on underneath. And they go right here and right here. So overall, not too bad of a job. I didn't realize you need to take the tail light off. But anyways, it's all on there, good and secure. So hopefully we have a good season this year. I'm anxious to get out there and ride. If you like my video, like the video, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Once again, obviously, this is probably a pretty straightforward job for most of yous, but just thought I'd make the video because I had to replace mine, and for anybody that might be intimidated by it, it's not too bad. Just take your time and it should go nice and smooth. Alright guys, Biker Mike out.